Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to update apps without Apple ID password. For example, if you want to update your apps, then as you click on update apps, it asks for Apple ID password or Face ID. So if you want to bypass the Face ID or password while you update your apps on App Store, so how you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first method is as that you have simply go to settings, and after that you have to click on Apple ID or your name, and here you have to click on media and purchases, and after that you have to click on password setting. So here what you have to do, you have simply click on required password after 15 minutes, and you have to simply turn off the password toggle for free downloads here. So here is the setting, you can do that. The next method is as that what you have to do, you have to simply go to App Store and you have to simply check which kind of app is ready to update. So here you have to click on that update, and you have to check whether that app updates without Apple ID or Face ID. So here you can check that. If the problem is still there, which means it asks for Apple ID password or Face ID, then what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the app, and you can simply remove the app, and after that you can reinstall it. But after you install, it will again ask for password. Then you have to go for the next step. You have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down. You have to click on general, and after that you have to click on iPhone storage. And here what you have to do, you have to look for that app you want to update. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on offload the app. So as you click on offload the app, it will show reinstall the app. So you have to click on reinstall the app, and it will be automatically reinstalled to latest version of your app. So in this way, you can simply install updates without Apple ID password or Face ID. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.